Good day, everyone. Ali is here from Sofi Financial Network. Today is February 1st, 2023, first day of February, and the market had a very nice up move. Today we had FOMC meeting, and we will talk about that for the verbiage and for the result. But market just popped very nice. Um, More than 1 million share traded for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF. A nice volume, good volume, decent volume, and we will see. We'll see how it goes. Here is the monthly chart. In this video, I'm going to talk about um, and the purpose of this video is just monthly analysis. We are doing and we are covering monthly chart as well. So this is a monthly chart. February. This is a January. January just closed, just a touch above this trend line. February start very bullish. However, we are still below this SMA 20 in in monthly chart. And also, if you look at this, so this is RSI for monthly chart for S&P 500, which is SPY. Whenever we get to this area and didn't get deeper, this is just a corrective move. And since I would say 2009, this is the dip for 2009. All right. So after that, whenever we get there, this is just a correction. And when we get deeper, even for COVID, which we called COVID crash, look at the RSI in monthly chart. It goes all the way down here, just a deeper level than the other ones, even deeper level than October, September, but just came back off to the rally and go to the overbought condition. So right now we are just getting to this area and didn't get deeper. So this means so far, based on a bigger scale or a bigger time frame, we are at a corrective move. This is not a bear market, but uh, this is just the RSI rating. All right. So, but when you see something like this, whenever we get below SMA 20 and we stay there for more than 5 months, we are getting to a severe bear market, or at least just a bear market. So this is a 2000 and this is 2008. For the other cases, I just want to show you here. For the other cases, for example, this is 2015, 2016. So we just get up in 1 month, like October 2015, we went up, and just for 2 months, we went down below SMA 20, and then the third month, we just came back up again, recapture SMA 20. This is 2018. Just for 1 month, we went down, touch SMA 50, and then next month, which is January 2019, if you remember that rally, just in Christmas rally, market just went all the way up and recaptured SMA 20. This is COVID crash, by the way. In COVID crash, we just went all the way down to in March and April. Market just came back up nicely, and as I said, just 2 months. But look at that. So we are almost there since May 2022. We are here below SMA 20 and we just consolidating here. So this is not a good sign. However, I should say we have seen lots of good bullish structure, as I said here. So SMA, RSI, we just came back up again to that level. We are above 50% now. MACD is sloping up nicely. So this is a bullish structure. But momentum wise, look at that. Momentum is getting off oversold condition to middle of this range. So we are in no man's land for the momentum. So far we just should say we are kind of at the beginning of this breakout, but we need to get more confirmation based on the monthly chart. For the bigger picture, if we get above SMA 20, one monthly close, the bear market and correction is over. Whatever you want to call this, I call so far as like a bear market, but and I believe that we are in bear market, and I'm just looking for another probably lower low here, or at least double bottom in months of March. But Right now, we just break above this trend line. All people are saying, hey, we are above this trend line and we shouldn't just take it as like a serious bear market or bear market is over. This is the first initial sign that we can see bear market is over. We need to close above August high because this is the last high that initiate this low. So we need to get above this. And when we get above this in monthly chart, we are getting above this as well. So SMA 20, where we captured this one, and we should say, yes, that was over. We are get back to the bull market. But right now, still we are there and we don't have any confirmation. Are we in bear market? Yes, we are at bear market. And Federal Reserve just came up with meeting minutes today. Um, it was pretty interesting just because Jay Powell said we are not going to pause and we are just decreasing the rate hike tone and we are going month by month to make a decision if we want to pause or if we want to have like a cut. But he just said that certainly he said that we are not planning to cut the rate in 2023. This is very, very important just because market didn't pay attention. Basically, market just interpret whatever it wants and it said, hey, okay, so you say that, but we don't pay attention and we are going back to the rally. So Jay Powell was strongly saying that still inflation is the concern. Still, Ukraine-Russia war is the concern. Geopolitical tension is the concern, and we are very careful about the market. Job market is hot, and still U.S. market is pretty resilient. So verbiage, I would say, was kind of hawkish, not dovish, although they just increased the rate 25 basis, but verbiage was hawkish, but market didn't pay attention. Market just did whatever it wants, and it's okay. So we are going level by level. I'm still looking for probably a low in February, March, and even April 2023. That's gonna be the ultimate buying opportunity. I just put my cash on the side. For those investments that I have, I just keep there. I don't touch it. But for extra cash that I have, I'm not excited about this rally. I would see another probably low, another buying opportunity is coming in 2023, and that's going to be very, very interesting buying opportunity. Guys, be patient. Again, if you have some stocks in your portfolio, don't touch it, don't take profit because we are at the beginning of the new bull market, but this bull market would stay probably for 1, 2, maximum 3 years, and I believe we are getting another buying opportunity by March. All right, so just stay tuned, sit tight. This is like a marathon. This business is like a marathon. This is not 100-meter athlete race or something like that. This is going to be very, very wise and marathon wise investment. All right, so moving on to the weekly chart for S&P 500. So this weekly chart, we are getting back again to the overbought condition. Fast line is getting momentum wise to the overbought condition. This week so far pretty bullish. We for S&P 500 first time we just close above this, not close actually. We just touched above this and we didn't close above this shadow there. So this is kind of double top or just a piercing above it, but this is very, very important area. So 4,128 to 4,210, that's going to be important level for market. Market just went up 56 points up today, so pretty nice, and we should respect that. However, again, this is overstretched, this is overbought, and probably at least for a short term, we will see a pullback, and I believe pullback is coming, and pullback is pretty close. Remember, tomorrow we will have decent giant tech stocks earning. Amazon, Apple, Google, all coming together tomorrow. So tomorrow will be very, very volatile day. And also on Friday, we will have NFP report for months of January, which is very, very important as well for the market. If market see very, very hot job market or job numbers, probably that's going to give more permission for Jay Powell and company to increase more rates and don't pause the rate hike just because job market still is hot. So again, we will see how it goes. We are just going day by day, and this weekly chart still is not over. We will get back to this on Friday. Moving on to the daily chart. So here is the daily chart. Very, very nice uptick today. So we just closed for the first time above this trend line. We just get a nominal high. We just pierced through and then coming back down. Still, we are below this high. But again, very, very important pivotal point. Look at that. So here is the important pivotal point. 78% Fibonacci for the first time since this drop touched here. This one didn't touch. This is the touch, and look at that. So market is in wage of a negative divergence here, and for RSI perspective, we are getting above this resistance, which is a bullish action, which is not bearish, which is bullish action because this shows momentum is pretty sharp to the upside, but stochastic wise we are getting a lower high here. So again, indicator wise it's kind of mixed, but based on the price action, this is a good spot for the reversal. Again, I'm not sure if this reversal is coming tomorrow, Friday, or early next week, but I'm looking for this reversal for a long time, and I was waiting here as well. So it's been like there going up to the rally. Again, I'm not buying. I will wait for buy stocks probably in these levels, and I'm sure market will give us opportunity. Again, if you want to say, okay, Ali, I'm shorting the market, I didn't suggest short the market because, as I said, in 2023, I'm expecting bullish year for the market. And for my subscribers, I told them I'm not going to short the market. I'm just looking for buying opportunity to buy the market. So this is the right approach. If you just missed this rally, don't worry about that because this rally came back to you. We'll be back to you probably better buying opportunity somewhere around here. I know everyone is piling into stocks, but again, so this rally could be fail anytime, and still February, March would be very, very interesting months for the market. All right, so let's move on to Nasdaq. So this is a monthly chart for Nasdaq. Pretty bullish action, right? So Nasdaq shows pretty bullish action. We are getting above this important level for the monthly chart. Again, we are at the first day for the months of February for the monthly chart, so we can't say anything right now. Still, it is at the earliest stage, but so far, good bullish development. There is nothing wrong. Again, if you see a lower low here, which I don't know. I don't know if we get there in February, March, but if we get the lower low, that would be pretty good buying opportunity. So that's going to be very, very long-term trend, which is coming from 2016 till now, and that's going to be very, very solid buying opportunity. I don't know if we get there now or later, probably 2-3 years, but we will get back to this trend line, and this trend line would be very, very interesting time to buy the market. However, for the monthly chart, again, we are below SMA 20. We just challenge SMA 50, hold up pretty well, especially in this bullish consolidation. We are consolidating here, so if we get below this, that's going to be very, very ugly. But if we get above this, which is my arrow shows, which is August high, that's going to be pretty bullish sign just because we are recapturing this one as well, and that's going to be very, very solid gain for Nasdaq and technology as well. So here is the weekly chart. Weekly stochastic wise, we are getting to the overbought condition. RSI pretty nice going to the upside. So this RSI is very, very nice. So even if you follow this RSI, I'm not saying this is gonna happen, but right now we are kind of forming a channel in RSI. So if you see a down move, probably that's going to be corrective move within the RSI, which is coming with price, the corrective move. I'm not sure if price is following the RSI, something like this, but if price is coming down more, even lower low, and RSI shows higher low, that's going to be very, very amazing opportunity. Good divergence, especially comes with our comes with our timing perspective. However, we are broken above this trend line. There's nothing wrong for the first time since this crash or bear market or whatever. This is a bear market in Nasdaq for sure. Anyway, if you want to slice it and dice it, if you call this bear market, if you call this bear market, this is a huge bear market. So I'm calling this bear market, and probably we will see a good chance to move up. And here is SMA 50 in weekly chart. We just recaptured it this week, and still 3 days to go. And we should wait. We should wait, see how things are getting unfold here in this one. All right, so just to stay tuned, I guess, sit tight. We are closing above this December high, which is bullish case as well, but we didn't get lower lows. So this high is minor. This is a major, just because we got lower low here. So this is the most important part in the trend line, which is pretty decent gain from here till there as well. All right, moving on to the daily chart. Daily chart, strong move to the upside, more than 3% to the upside. Especially Facebook came up with earning, and seems like earning missed, but revenue just went up, beat the revenue, and market just take it as a positive news. However, we are in middle of this, and this is a Federal Reserve movement, like a CPI movement. Sorry, this is a CPI movement to the downside. And I remember this one. I got to short position here because middle of this, and we are getting back there. So again, we are getting close, very, very close to kind of like a reversal point. And if you go with fib level, which is everyone should do that. So here is the August high, and here is the September low. We are getting to 61% Fibonacci level. S&P, we got into 78% Fibonacci level, which is very, very good, important, solid level for reversal. If you see something happen by end of this week, take it from me, that's gonna be the top for this rally. And where we are gonna sit the bottom, the bullish scenario would be here, somewhere around here. Kind of neutral position is gonna be here. Bearish scenario would be here, which is pretty substantial buy. But again, I'm just looking for this one or this one for now. So again, we will see. We should wait for the reversal. Reversal is coming, then we will get back to the buy. But I'm not gonna chase the price or chase the market, as you know. I'm just looking for price to coming back to my level. Okay, moving on to Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, pretty nice bullish consolidation, right? So this is very, very nice bullish consolidation. And this monthly chart, I would say, if we get somewhere around here, which is 31 and to here, let me just show you. This is the area. So this area, let me copy this as well to just put it there. That's going to be our buying opportunity if we get there. If any chance market gives us for buying opportunity, we will get there. And probably for the December of 2023, we will see new all-time high for Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is the best among the other one, and I believe still there's going to be another buying opportunity in the next correction, and next corrective move would be fantastic just because it would be middle of this wide range bar. Great, great buying opportunity, backtest this trend line and shoot the price to the sky like that. So I'm just waiting for this one. I'm not getting into this now. Again, wait, be patient, folks. Don't think you are missing the opportunity. Opportunity is coming to you soon. Weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart. Momentum is down. And stochastic, look at that. Momentum index is pretty down. However, we had a very, very bullish case today, but this choppy and sloppy probably fail anytime if we go there. So that's going to be our bullish case. Again, nothing more. I just covered, it's the same mentality, it's the same price action like the other one. Dow Jones is the best again, with if you want to compare it to the other ones. Going to the daily chart, here's the daily chart. We are just getting above this, And look at that. So today we just finished the doji bar. We didn't break above this. That's very, very interesting. Even for Dow Jones, we didn't get above January top. We didn't get above December top, which is pretty interesting, right? Just because Dow Jones is loaded with financial and energy, and as you know, financial is the only sector. I think it's one of two sector that was weak today was financial, and the other one was energy. So Dow Jones is kind of like a loaded with energy and financial, so that's why it closed doji. Didn't do anything today. Just the doji bar and kind of like a red candle, and it is still within this triangle area. So probably the next downside move in Dow Jones would be great buying opportunity, just because again, months of March, February would be pretty volatile for the market. All right, so I think I covered this as a monthly chapter of our analysis, which is coming middle of week. Kind of weird, but I just wanted to um, give you this monthly analysis just because this is the first day of months of February. All right, we will get back to you tomorrow, Friday, with weekly analysis, and have a good day. See you on the chart. Bye bye.